Wanna do is bring you glory and honor. It's all for you, none of me. It's more of you, less of me. All for your kingdom, all for your glory.
Good morning and welcome back. My name is Darlingranita and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And yes, this morning it is bright and early, getting ready to step out the house. And so today's video is going to be all about what I eat in a day. I will go to do a little exercise, and I'm thinking about going to the park. I'm not for sure, but I will make sure that you are with me. So I'm getting ready to get out of the house. Really don't want anything heavy to eat, so I'm just going to make me a quick smoothie and take a little snack with me, and let's get this what I eat in a day going. This is going to fill me up until I top off. I see you guys in a minute. Alright, so let's put on this video, and I want to thank Nail Reserve for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now, this part right here is 2 weeks out of the making of the video, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, let's talk about Nail Reserve. Nail Reserve is a vegan-friendly gel polish company, and when I saw their colors, I was just like, oh my God, it's calling spring. And I had the opportunity to select 5 colors that is on the website. Now, out of the 5 colors, 2 of them I had to make a purchase for the base as well as the top coat, because having those 2 pieces will make your nails look salon perfect. Now, when I got the packaging, you know me already, the packages is right. Everything that's inside is going to be the .com. And look at the colors that I picked. Aren't they spring? They call them spring. They are gorgeous. And if you can look at the beginning of my nails, they are hideous. They need help. They need a makeover. Now, bam, look at this finishing touch. This is how the first color look. It is just gorgeous. It is calling spring. It's calling natural. It's calling you go, girl. Now, let's look at this second color. Bam, baby blue, honey. I love it. And guess what? 2 weeks into this video, bam, it is still salon perfect. So I'm telling you, it is easy to put on. The only thing that you will need to make a purchase on is your own UV light. You can use them anywhere, beauty salon, Amazon, anywhere that sells nail colors, Ultra Beauty, they are all available. And I'm gonna have a list of some of my favorite UV lights that you can purchase. But if you are interested in checking out Nail Reserve, I have a discounted code of Darling R Anita and 50% off of 2 of your favorite gel polishes. Now, as an FYI, if there's already a promotion going on the website, now you know you cannot get 50% off plus an extra 30% off, okay? I'm just keeping it real. I just want to put that out there for you so you can know. But I will have everything listed at the bottom for you. Because Nail Reserve, I am loved. They got me as a subscriber because their nails are lasting for a long period of time. So now you see why I decided to do 2 weeks after the making of the video so you can see how these nails last for a long time, honey. I've been washing. I've been just doing everything with these nails and they still salon perfect. So again, I will have everything listed at the bottom for you. Again, 50% off 2 gel nail polishes of your choice. So let's get back to the video because, honey, I just got back from the gym and, honey, I am tired.